Blessings, y'all. Now listen, the summer heat is upon us, so today we're talking sunscreen. But not just any sunscreen, one that won't leave your melanated skin looking like Casper. So I'm going to show you how to make an all-natural one that will blend into your skin and protect your glow. So let's get to it. Okay, let's go over the ingredients that I use. So everything I add in here has a job, right? So starting with my first item is the non-nano zinc oxide. This is the Kevin Costner to Whitney Houston. You know, the Bodyguard. It's the only FDA-approved natural UV blocker. We're using the non-nano kind, so it sits on top of the skin, it blocks the rays, and it minds its own business. So basically, no toxic nonsense. And this is the next item. Let me tell you something. Shea butter is the auntie of moisturizers. It's rich, creamy, and full of vitamins A and E. Plus, it got a little natural SPF built in. It protects, heals, and leaves you glossy, but not greasy. Now, my next three items are my oils. First up is the carrot seed. Just a little drop of this has a high natural SPF and is packed with antioxidants. You could think of this as skin security with a glow-up bonus. Now, the next item is the red raspberry seed oil. This is that underrated little thing. It fights inflammation, it helps with eczema, and yep, she got natural SPF too. My melanin really loves this oil. And the final oil, you can actually choose between these two. You can either choose the jojoba oil or grapeseed oil. Now, both of these are basically smooth operators. They're lightweight, they absorb easy, and they keep your skin feeling soft, not sticky. Now, jojoba oil, it mimics your skin's natural oils. And grapeseed, it keeps your pores unbothered. So, just choose your fighter. Now, this little thing right here is the crazy glue that holds all this together. This is the Candelilla wax. I love saying that. Candelilla wax. This is actually the vegan alternative to beeswax. So it thickens our sunscreen, it makes it semi-water resistant, and it keeps the whole mix solid when it get hot outside. Oh hell. This is like the designated driver, quiet but necessary. She is me. So our last two items are the aloe vera gel and the vitamin E oil. The aloe vera gel, this one's for the calm. It cools, it soothes, and it hydrates. Especially if you're outside standing at the bus stop sucking on a lollipop. When she, LL, get out my damn head. So the next one is vitamin E oil. So this is the preservative, but she's also the multitasker. Keeps the oils from going rancid and makes your skin thank you later. So let's get started on the recipe. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is set up the double boiler. Or if you don't have that, a steel bowl over a pot of hot water. Now, you want to melt the shea butter, the Candelilla wax, and your three oils together. But don't add the aloe, the zinc, or the vitamin E oil yet. Okay, so it should take about 5 to 10 minutes to melt the butters and oils. So once it's all smooth and melted, take it off the heat and let it chill for a minute. Not too long though. I would say about 3 to 5 minutes. So once you feel like it's cool enough, now it's time to slowly add in your aloe vera while whisking or stirring. And then next up is our MVP, the zinc oxide. Add it in gradually, stirring the whole time to keep it smooth. The last thing you want is some lumpy sunscreen, like it's some damn potato salad. Oh, I'm a mess. Okay, so finally, once you think that it's smooth enough, I need you to grab whatever container you're going to use. Please make sure it's clean. And just pour it in. Let it cool completely. Then store it in a cool spot. All right now. See, here it is. Your melanin safe, ghost free, skin loving sunscreen. Smooth, creamy, and blends like butter on a biscuit. So let's test it. Look at that. No white cast, just protected, radiant skin. Yes, honey. Now, if you love this recipe, don't forget to like, comment. Ooh, please let me know if your cousin's still using cocoa butter as SPF. Bless their little hearts. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because over here we do everything for the culture and the skincare routine. Stay black, stay bold, stay glowing. See y'all next time.